Ah, the magnet in a bottoms-up beer cup. Probably one of the most underutilized aspects of a bottoms-up beer dispenser. So this video kind of showcases the power of that space. We're going to go to Twitter. We're going to check out #SpellingBeer. This is a stock set of magnets that we make, that anybody can buy. And as you can see, there's a call to action on it that says, spell a word, tweet a pic, win a prize. And this is not all of them. I know there are more. Look at all these. Look at all this amazing engagement that you're getting with people. This could be done for a restaurant. This could be done for your restaurant. This could be done for your bar. This could be done for your event. It could be done for anything. But the power of engaging somebody after they've finished their beer is pretty clear. You can see a call to action at the bottom of a beer is going to be very readily acted upon. And it just goes on and on and on. It also incentivizes people to buy more beer because they want to either, finish the collector set or get another letter to try to spell the word they're trying to spell. It keeps them in your establishment longer, engaged with your brand because your logo is on the magnet as well. And then they end up on the refrigerator in their home, where they are looked at every single time they want to go to get food or drink. Look at that fridge covered in magnets. Just this opportunity is it's a phenomenal one. Cheers.